Good morning, student. I think all are well, reading properly, writing the note, and learning it properly also. So, in class 9, we are reading the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. Already I have discussed what do you mean by fundamental unit, and in the previous topics we have already discussed the first part of the cell, that is known as your cell membrane or plasma membrane. But today we will discuss another part of the plant cell, that is known as your cell wall, and it was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year of 1665. In the year of 1665. Suppose this is the plant cell. This is the plant cell, and every cell having an outer membrane. In animal cell, the outer membrane is known as your cell membrane, but an extra membrane which are again covered by the plant cell, that is known as your cell wall. That is known as your cell wall, and it is rigid covering outside the plant cell. It is non-living substances, and it is composed of so many cellulose particles. It is composed of the cell wall is composed of cellulose. It means the combination of so many glucose molecules. Means is the polymer. Poly means many. So many glucose particles are combining to form the cell wall. But the animal cell, the outer covering, that is made up of lipids and the proteins. But this cell wall is the combination of the cellulose, and cellulose is the complex component of the carbohydrate. It means it contains the carbohydrate, and already we have known that the carbohydrate is the energy. Means from this glucose, from this cellulose, the inner part of the cell are receiving the energy, and it is the carbon compound. And the function of the cell wall is mainly it provides structural strength to the plant. It provides structural strength to the plant, and it can help to prevent the bursting of the cells in hypotonic solutions. The bursting of the cells in hypotonic solutions. Already we discussed the hypotonic solutions. Suppose if we will take a container contain the water, and within this water if we will put a plant cell, and at the time in the previous topics we have already discussed the hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution means the outer, the environment content is more as compared to the cell. So at the time the water starts to move from the higher region of concentration to the lower region of the concentration. At that time only the inner part of the cell will be starts to swollen off, but due to the presence of the rigid cell wall, it can help to prevent further bursting. In this way, the cell wall can help then, and it can help to support for the standing of the plant. The cell wall can help to support for the standing of the plant, due to which the plants can stand in a particular or in a fixed place. And due to the cell wall, it can help to protect from the different environmental conditions. That's why the plants can survive within a fixed position. Next we have to discuss the comparison between cell wall and the cell membrane. Cell wall and the cell membrane. Cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall is the permeable membrane. Permeable membrane means it can permit fully the different substances inside to the cell, but it is the selectively permeable. Selectively permeable substances. Further, the cell wall is a non-living composed of the cellulose particles, means combination of the so many glucose molecules, but it is the living substances and it is composed of the lipids and the proteins, and the cell wall is the comparatively rigid in structure, rigid, hard in structure, but it is the cell membrane is the delicate and flexible. Delicate and flexible part of the animal cell. In this way, we can differentiate between the cell wall and the cell membrane. Another difference is that the cell wall is the outer covering of the plant cell, means it found only in plant cell, but the cell membrane is found both in the plant cell and in the animal cell. So found both in plant cell, plant and